Today I will show you some useful tricks that will help you become a professional jigsaw user. Watch the video and use other people's knowledge for your own needs. The first thing you need to know is how to put or change the saw. Simply pull the lever and release the saw by gently pulling it out. The return of the saw goes in reverse order. A normal cut is the simplest cut that is easy to perform. Just draw a line and saw to the end. The rounded cut is a little more complicated but not problematic if you cut it according to the regulations. A circular cut requires a lot of practice. And the inner circle can only be cut by making a hole before cutting, into which you can put the saw and from that point start cutting further. Before the main cut, make a few cuts for the exercise and then cut the circle to the end. The easiest way to make a curved cut is to cut the corner from a few smaller pieces. You can avoid material spills in a very simple way. Turn the material upside down, or stick duct tape over the part you are cutting to prevent the material from cracking. You can make an angle cut by setting the angle you want on the saw. To be able to do this, you need to loosen these two screws a bit, then adjust the angle you want to get by cutting. And then tighten the screws again. If you can't reach the part you need to cut somewhere on the material, you can turn the blade upside down and cut in that position as well. Thanks for watching, and just keep practicing, because only then can you become a true master who can solve every problem on his own.